Welcome, in front of me I have Vivo V20 SE, and today I will show you how you can customize always on display. So at first we have to go simply for the settings. Right now you have to go for the lock screen and the wallpaper, click on the always on display, and at the first we can change style of our always on display. So change the theme, for example for this clock. It was applied successful, so we can go back. Here we can go for the display mode, so we can set a schedule, move the phone slightly to display or get it all day. Let's go for this last option, and here we can also display notifications from the messages and phone. Let's disable maybe the messages notification. After that we can just go back, lock our device, and as you can see right now, our always on display has changed a little bit. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.